Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another hashtag, Two Crafters, One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. So if you haven't heard about Saturday Morning Makes, where have you been? This is hosted by Jillian Norwood, who has an open collab to anyone who wants to join in and create something and just share what you've created. And we share on Saturday mornings. For hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, we decided to use snowman. So make sure you use the hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, or I'll have the ladies' links down below that you can go and visit. And if you want to enter in on this challenge, make sure you have snowman this week. Let me share what I have used to create these adorable snowmen. Let's start out with that stamp set. Absolutely adorable. I love this stamp set. And anyways, I'm using this snowman as well as that one. And that's from Whimsy Stamps, if you didn't catch that, Whimsy Stamps. This little rectangular tag there came from Honeybee Stamps, and I'm just using that outer layer there. And then from Cottage Cuts, I am using this one here for that square tag. And then for the circle tag with the scallops, I'm using that one from Honeybee Stamps, and I'm using just this and this. And then for that stitched circle on the inside, I am using this one from My Creative Time, that third one down of the plain circles in the center. And then for the Happy Holidays, I am using this stamp set here, which came from Tuesday Morning, but it's Lawn Fawn, and I'm using that Happy Holidays there. All right, let me show you these a little bit more up close and personal. I love how this turned out. Now, my coloring isn't perfect, but I had to disguise my little mess ups with some little snowflakes that he's having in his hands. So just cover those things up, cover up your mess ups there. No one will know unless you tell it. And then I have this snowflake here that's covering up another little mess up, but you can't tell it. So I just love how this turned out, just super cute. And we all make mistakes, but as a crafter, you gotta disguise those things and keep it rolling. So I love this. I did double layer this a couple times, so it's nice and sturdy. And then let's look at this one here. I messed up a little bit on this one, but I said, hey, she can handle her mess ups. She's super cute. Love how it turned out. That little bird there. Super, super cute. So one more look at these little things. Check out the pictures at the end. Make sure you use those hashtags and visit everyone else who has joined in. And let's see what you've been creating for the week. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.